merch.com. Seville, oh Seville, a city that dances to the rhythm of flamenco, where the sun kisses the cobblestone streets and the scent of orange blossoms wafts through the air. As I stepped off the plane, I felt an electric buzz, a promise of adventure waiting to unfold. This isn't just any city, it's a treasure chest of history, culture, and culinary delights. If you're looking for a travel destination that feels like a warm embrace, Seville is it. Picture this: the moment you arrive, you're greeted by the majestic sight of the Giralda Tower, standing tall against the azure sky. It's a reminder of the city's rich Moorish heritage, a blend of cultures that have left their mark on every corner. As I wandered through the narrow streets of the Santa Cruz neighborhood, I couldn't help but feel like I was stepping back in time. The whitewashed buildings, adorned with vibrant tiles, create a picturesque backdrop that seems to whisper stories of centuries past. But let's talk essentials, shall we? If you're planning to explore this hidden gem, a sturdy yet stylish backpack is a must. You'll want something that can carry your camera, a water bottle, and perhaps a light jacket for those cool evenings. Trust me, you'll want to capture every moment, from the intricate details of the Alcázar's architecture to the lively atmosphere of Plaza de España. And don't forget a portable charger. Your phone will be working overtime as you snap photos and navigate your way through this enchanting city. As I made my way to the Alcázar, I was struck by its beauty. The gardens, bursting with color, felt like a scene from a fairy tale. I could almost hear the whispers of history as I strolled through the lush pathways. This is where the past and present intertwine, where you can almost feel the presence of kings and queens who once roamed these halls. It's a place that demands your attention, a reminder of the grandeur that once was. After soaking in the sights, I found myself craving something delicious. Seville is a food lover's paradise, and I was ready to indulge. Tapas bars line the streets, each one offering a unique twist on traditional Spanish cuisine. I settled into a cozy spot, my trusty travel journal in hand, ready to jot down my thoughts as I savored each bite. The patatas bravas were crispy perfection, and the jamón ibérico melted in my mouth like a dream. A glass of chilled sangria was the cherry on top, a refreshing companion to my culinary adventure. As the sun began to set, casting a golden hue over the city, I made my way to the Metropole Parasol. This modern architectural marvel stands in stark contrast to the historic surroundings, yet it somehow fits perfectly into the tapestry of Seville. Climbing to the top, I was rewarded with panoramic views that took my breath away. The city sprawled beneath me, a mosaic of rooftops and plazas, each one holding its own secrets. It was a moment of pure bliss, a reminder of why I travel, to experience the world in all its beauty. As night fell, the city transformed. The streets came alive with music and laughter, the sound of flamenco echoing through the air. I found myself drawn to a small courtyard where a group of dancers poured their hearts into every movement. The passion was palpable, and I couldn't help but be swept away by the energy. It was a celebration of life, a reminder that Seville is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you leave. So, if you're searching for a travel destination that feels like a hidden gem, look no further than Seville. Pack your essentials, embrace the adventure, and let this enchanting city capture your heart. You'll leave with memories that linger, a piece of Seville forever etched in your soul. Like and subscribe.